can we transform the spirit of abundance into an opportunity to help those in need? Paano natin maisasalin ang diwa ng kasaganaan bilang isang pagkakataon upang makatulong sa mga nangangailangan?
Mabuhay ug madayaw. As the current president of the Scholar ng Tribu, I carry not only my dreams, but the burden and hope of the generation that caught between remembering and forgetting. And with regards to the question, that we can be able to have an abundance, we can be able to call abundance in the spirit of helping those in needs. As someone who believes in the power of unity, I firmly believe that if we truly have the love and respect to one another, and we truly have a heart and a passionate heart in helping one another, we can truly make a change in our community. Daghang salamat.
Daghang salamat. Once again, Tribong Ubu Manuvu.